Hey y'all, Blanche here. How's it going today? Well, today is Friday night, Saturday morning at about 2:20 a.m. I wanted to just quick make a video before heading off to bed because I wanted to talk about my eye makeup that I'm wearing today. And this is going to be a big whoop-de-doo, no news to anybody video. But I just thought that I would come on and talk for a bit and just put my face out there because it's been a while. I'm not sure exactly when you're going to be seeing this video. It'll be sometime between now, which is Saturday morning, and Monday. Well, my eye makeup that I'm wearing now, I have now had on for 14 hours. I put it on at 11 o'clock in the morning on Friday because I wanted to test out some things and see what I could do about creasing. Last Sunday, Jay and I went out. We went to see Wicked. It was the first time that either of us had seen the show, and we were so excited. And I did this makeup look here, sort of, to go out. And in fact, I was wearing the same shirt. But we went to see Wicked, and I wore just a regular smoky eye, gray eyelid, black crease, blah, blah. And about halfway through the show, I noticed that I was creasing. I was creasing really badly. And I was using my Urban Decay Primer Potion as a base, like I have been doing lately. And I've noticed that when I do my drag makeup and I don't go out, I don't get any creasing with this. But I guess it's because it was so hot here in Houston, and I was sweating. I was getting some raunchy creasing. It was bad. So I started thinking, what can I do to avoid this creasing? Because I don't want to have to, reapply my whole eye makeup when I'm out. So this is what I did today. And let me tell you what I did differently. Well, first let me tell you what my eye look was for that night. It was just Urban Decay Primer Potion. It was MAC print on the eyelid and MAC carbon for the crease. Plain, boring. I think I did a tutorial on that look. Today, what I did was about 2 weeks ago, I was at the mall, and I picked up a sample of Painterly Paint Pot. And because I wanted to test it out, because I've been meaning to try a MAC eyeshadow base. So tonight, this morning, I put Urban Decay Primer Potion on my eyelid, all the way up to my eyebrows. And then I smeared the paint pot over top of it, just as my base. Over top of that, I used this, which is the e.l.f. eyeliner and shadow stick, and this is in Smoke, which is a really nice gray color. And I know that people are going to say, well, if you like this, you should really try Shark Skin Shade Stick. And, I've got a Beijing shade stick, and I didn't like this. Not very well, anyway, because I have to spend the time to warm it up and put it on, smooth it. This one is a bit creamier, and I didn't have any trouble with it putting it on. It didn't drag that much. It was fine. So I put that all over my actual eyelids. On top of that, I put my print, and for my crease, I decided to go with the shimmery black from Bitch Face Cosmetics, like I used in my last video. And this stuff is so pigmented. You know, I talked a little bit about it in that last video, but so pigmented. Oh my god. I mean, you can see I've had this black on for 14 hours and it's still dark. But then I was just feeling like I wanted something more. So I dug out my, if I can open the package, my Cinderfella from Style Black. And I love this shadow, and I don't use it very often. And I just swept some of that over my eyelid, just to give it a little sparkle, a little glitter. For my brow highlight, I put on MAC NW 15 Studio Finish Concealer, and then just patted some yogurt on top of it. So it's a very simple look. Oh, and I used my Rimmel Soft Kohl eyeliner on my waterline, and then used the same black underneath my eyes and blended it out. My eyebrows are my NYX Taupe eyeliner pencil, or eyebrow pencil, eye/eyebrow pencil. So, between the primer potion, the paint pot, the shadow stick, and my eyelashes, I have not creased at all. And yeah, I guess I'm going to continue doing that. I was so impressed as soon as I got off work today. I ran out and bought a Painterly paint pot. I know. Like I said, this video is going to be a big, oh, this is news video, but oh well. My next video is going to be a product review video, and I'm very anxious. I'm really late getting this out, and I can't wait to talk more about it soon. You can tell I'm tired because I just keep talking and blah-blahing, and that's what happens when I'm tired. Okay, I'm going to go and use my MAC eye and lip makeup remover and take this stuff off, and then wash my face and go to bed. Maybe eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich first. Okay, guys, I love you all. I will talk to you again very soon. Night, guys.